Hi friends, I am Mary from Mary Crochet. Hello my crochet friends, Mary is here with a fun and super duper cute crochet tutorial just for you. Today we are making this beautiful headband. It's beginner friendly, boho chic and so much fun to wear. So grab your yarn and crochet hook because we are about to get creative. So my crochet buddies, let's do this. First we'll start with a slip knot and chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, alright, now we'll do slip stitch in the very next stitch. Here we go. Next we'll do one single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next 3 stitches we'll do 1 half double crochet each. So here we go, 1, the next 2 and then 3 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Here we complete it. Now in next we'll do 1 single crochet, and in the end we'll slip stitch. Here is our tiny leaf is ready. So now from this point again we'll make 16 more chains, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yeah, it's done. So from here we again repeat the pattern, slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in next we'll do 1 beautiful and super easy crochet flowers, and these are super duper beginner friendly. You can crochet it in no time. And so here is our final look of the flower. Now you may also add the little embellishment to give it a more cute look, but it's up to your choice. You can like add it or not, it's up to you. So here I have secured a little embellishment with the glue. Okay, from here first we need to find the middle of the leaf vine that we have crocheted. So here is the center point. So from this point we are going to, if you want to sew the flowers you may, or if you want to secure it with the glue. Both the options are whichever you want to adopt. So here I have choose the glue, the most easy and the quickest way, and the most secure way. So So here I put some glue and stick it on the flower vine. One by one I'll stick all the flowers on the headband. Look of our beautiful crochet headband. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Lots of prayers for you. Stay blessed today and always. Bye bye. See you.